Hey, welcome back on my second episode of Woodworking project. This time you will see how to make two type of awesome finishing on wood material. So for those who never seen my first video, just click on the link below and then you can see how I started with this process of this woodworking project. So okay, now let's see what we have today. Okay, in making a woodworking project, you must know how to plan at a very initial stage. You have to know the type of material, the size that you need through your technical drawing, the tools that you might use, the modeling compound that you might need in the process of making the surfacing, and also the type of finishings. And the last one, of course, you must know what is the process and also you must target when to complete the project. So without further ado, let's see what we have in the video.